So, as you can see, the trail still has snow on it in places. And one of the other, which is no big deal, but one of the challenges I'm finding, and the warning on their website was that due to the fire and recent storms, there could be, logs or branches, trees that have fallen and blocking the trail. And I will come back to the stream in a minute, but so here's an example. Now that one's pretty easy to get by, but there's another one behind it. I can step over that, but this is what I've been running into is, trees that have fallen and you have to climb over them or duck under them or figure out a way to climb over the multiple branches. But I just love going to these places where it's, just you and nature. And I've done some of these Zen moment ones of creeks and the waves, and that's what this one's going to turn into, is just listening to the creek and watching the water flow and watching the sun hit the water. Here you go.